Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best pickleball paddles. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Selkirk SLK Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Color, Neo Red and Blue. Weight, 0.21 kilograms. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. If you're just getting into pickleball and want a paddle set that feels easy to use right away, the Selkirk SLK Neo set is one that stands out for beginners. It comes with 2 paddles, so it's a practical option for couples, friends, or family members who want to start playing together. The first thing I noticed is that these paddles feel lightweight without feeling flimsy. They're easy to swing, which makes longer games a little less tiring, especially if you're still working on your technique. The fiberglass face gives the paddle a responsive feel, and it offers good control for dinks, volleys, and basic placement shots. Another thing that helps is the honeycomb core. It creates a fairly forgiving sweet spot, so off-center hits don't feel as harsh as they can on some entry-level paddles. The grip is also comfortable and does a nice job absorbing sweat and impact during extended play sessions. These are designed with beginners in mind, so advanced players looking for maximum spin or power may eventually want something more performance-oriented. But that's not really the purpose of this set. Overall, the Selkirk SLK Neo paddle set feels comfortable, balanced, and beginner-friendly. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants an easy-to-handle paddle set for casual games and learning the fundamentals of pickleball. Number 4. JoncAye Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, Blue. Weight, 8 ounces. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. One thing I like about the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set is that it feels like a true starter bundle rather than just a pair of paddles. You get multiple paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, a carrying bag, and replacement overgrips, which makes it easy to head straight to the court without buying extra accessories. The paddles themselves feel lightweight and comfortable in the hand. At around 8 ounces, they strike a nice balance between control and power, and they're easy to swing during longer practice sessions. The fiberglass surface gives the paddle a responsive feel, while the honeycomb core helps soften the impact and makes shots feel more forgiving. I also found the grip to be comfortable, especially if you tend to play for an hour or more. The included overgrips are a useful addition because grips naturally wear down over time. A nice bonus is that these paddles are USAPA approved, so they can be used for tournament play if you decide to take the game more seriously later on. The larger sweet spot is especially helpful for beginners and intermediate players who are still improving consistency. The main limitation is that experienced players may eventually want a paddle with more advanced spin and touch characteristics. But for casual games, family matches, and learning the fundamentals, this set covers a lot of bases. Overall, the JoncAye Pickleball Paddle Set is a practical beginner-friendly package that offers good comfort, solid performance, and excellent value for new and developing players. Number 3. Vuofoxed Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, Blue. Weight, 1.04 kilograms. Set weight listed. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. This Vuofoxed pickleball paddle set caught my attention because it combines a carbon and fiberglass surface with a beginner-friendly design. It's one of those sets that tries to give newer players a little more control without making the paddle feel intimidating. What stands out most during play is the textured surface. It gives the paddle a more controlled feel, especially on serves, dinks, and softer placement shots. You're not suddenly generating pro-level spin, but the texture does make it easier to feel connected to the ball compared with many basic entry-level paddles. The 14mm polypropylene honeycomb core adds a nice balance between power and comfort. Shots feel solid without being overly stiff, and the wider paddle face creates a forgiving sweet spot that helps when your contact isn't perfect. That's especially useful for beginners and intermediate players who are still building consistency. I also liked the handle. The grip feels cushioned and secure, and it stays comfortable during longer sessions. The paddle weight feels well balanced, so it doesn't become tiring quickly. One thing to keep in mind is that the listed overall set weight isn't very useful for judging the weight of each paddle, so I'd focus more on the playing feel than that specification. Overall, the Vuofoxed carbon pickleball paddle set offers a comfortable grip, a forgiving sweet spot, and a nice blend of control and power. It seems like a solid option for beginners and recreational players who want a paddle that can continue to feel capable as their skills improve. Number 2. Vuofoxed Pickleball Paddles Set. Color, not officially specified. Weight, 0.4 kilograms. Set weight listed. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. If you're looking for a simple pickleball starter kit that includes everything you need for casual games, the Jikasai paddle set is a practical option to consider. It comes with 2 paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, and a carrying bag, which makes it easy to get started right away. The paddles feel lightweight and easy to maneuver, and that's probably their biggest advantage for beginners. They're comfortable to swing during longer practice sessions, and they don't put a lot of strain on the wrist, elbow, or shoulder. The fiberglass face gives the paddle a responsive feel, while the polymer honeycomb core helps keep shots relatively controlled and forgiving. I also liked the grip design. It feels soft in the hand and includes ventilation holes that help reduce slipping when your hands get sweaty. That makes a noticeable difference during extended rallies. Another useful feature is the edge guard, which adds a little extra protection around the paddle. For recreational players who occasionally tap the ground or clip the edge during play, that added durability is a nice touch. The main limitation is that more experienced players may want a paddle with a more advanced surface for spin and precision. But for beginners and intermediate players, the balance of comfort, control, and ease of use is appealing. Overall, the Jikasai paddle set feels like a well-rounded beginner package that offers good maneuverability, a comfortable grip, and enough performance for learning the game and enjoying regular recreational play. Number 1. Joola Pickleball Paddles Set of 2. Color, Blue Lightning. Weight, 2 pounds. Set weight listed. Category, Pickleball Paddle Set. For anyone who wants a beginner-friendly pickleball set from a well-known brand, the Joola Blue Lightning set is a pretty easy one to recommend. It comes with 2 paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, and a carrying bag, so you can head to the court without having to buy extra gear. The paddles feel lightweight and easy to control, which is especially helpful if you're new to the game. During casual matches, they're quick enough at the net and comfortable enough for longer sessions without feeling overly heavy. The fiberglass face gives them a nice balance of responsiveness and control, and the honeycomb core helps reduce some of the vibration on contact. One thing that stands out is the larger sweet spot. It makes the paddle feel more forgiving, so mishits don't seem as punishing as they can with some entry-level paddles. That can help beginners build confidence while learning serves, volleys, and placement shots. The grip feels comfortable for most hands, and the included carrying case makes the whole set easy to transport and store. Since this is designed primarily for beginners, advanced players may eventually want a paddle with more spin potential and a more specialized feel. Overall, the Joola Blue Lightning paddle set is a solid entry point into pickleball. It offers a comfortable playing experience, a forgiving design, and a complete set of accessories, making it a good choice for families, new players, or anyone looking for a dependable recreational paddle set.